A modern architectural wonder, an aspirational life, a healthy, wealthy, and happy lifestyle, a marvelous paradise for new age families. It all exists at the grand integrated 360-acre township Hiranandani Parks Oragadam. Massive township, thoughtful spaces. 7 themed gardens for mind and body. Inclusive surroundings, exclusive offerings. Top of the Rhine Rella Hospital. A school just footsteps away from home. Experience sports in action. An abode of nature, vistas of lushness. 7,000 trees enveloping the township. Infrastructure at its best. Get ready for a lifestyle transformation. 30 plus amenities. Infinite stories, one feeling. Home.